Okay, so in this video, I'd like to talk about how to run Flink Young model on Zeppelin. Basically, it has three properties you need to set up. First is the Flink execution model. Secondly is to set up the Flink conf dir. And the last thing is just to make sure the headable command is on your path. So now let's go to the terminal. Here I have already set up a single node Hadoop cluster in my laptop, and here it is the let's go to the it is the yes, this is the Hadoop conf dir, and we need to set up it here. We change the execution mode to young and set up the Hadoop conf dir. Let's save it. And the Hadoop command is already on my path. Let me verify that. Yes, right? Okay, let's go to the browser. And here it is the Young web page. We can see that now we have no Young application. Okay, now let's run the batch word count. So when we run this batch word count, it will submit a Young application to the Hadoop cluster. Yeah, of course, it will just take a few seconds. So just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, let's check it here. Okay, now we see there's one Young application, is right. Let's go back to the Zeppelin. Okay, we see the Flink job link. So that means the job is started. Okay, the job is finished, right? So let's click here. Yeah, it will bring us to the Flink web UI. We can see the details of the Flink job. Okay, so this is the how to run Flink Young model. Thank you, everyone.